In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tally hours using Google Sheets, a useful skill that can save you time and energy when managing your projects, work schedules, or personal tasks. Whether you're tracking team hours, your own daily workflow, or planning out project tasks, Google Sheets can be an invaluable tool. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your spreadsheet to calculate hours with ease. First, you're going to start by opening your Google Sheets document that contains the data you want to work with. Make sure you have your time entered in a format that Google Sheets can recognize. This means having your hours in a standard format, such as HHMM, to ensure everything processes correctly later on. Once you've got your Google Sheet ready, you'll want to select and highlight the cells where you've input your time data. It's important to make sure you've included all the relevant cells, as this will ensure that your calculations later on are accurate. Next, to ensure Google Sheets understands how to interpret your data, you'll need to format the cells. Head up to the menu bar and click on Format. From there, navigate to the Number submenu and then select Time. This will format the selected cells so that Google Sheets reads the input as time data, rather than plain numbers or text. Using the right format is key because it tells Sheets how to handle the values, giving you accurate additions later on. Having your time data properly formatted, you're ready to sum up your hours. Click on an empty cell where you want the total to appear, and you're going to enter a formula. You can use the sum function for this purpose. Click on the chosen cell and type in something like SUM, followed by the range of your highlighted time cells, and close the parenthesis. Your formula might look a bit like this: SUM A2 A7. This formula instructs Google Sheets to add together all the values within the specified range. Finally, simply press Enter. Google Sheets will calculate and display the total number of hours based on your input. It's instant, and most importantly, it's accurate. You can use this same method to tally hours for different tasks throughout a whole week, or even more extended periods. And there you have it, a quick, convenient way to track and tally hours using Google Sheets. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to prepare your data, format your cells, and use formulas to do the heavy lifting. I hope you find this method helpful in organizing your time and boosting your productivity. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your workflow. Thank you for tuning in, and happy calculating!